6 quick no-cook summer snacks to beat the heat. Let's be honest, cooking in a summer heatwave is a special kind of torture. The moment the temperature soars, my kitchen transforms from a place of culinary creativity into a fiery pit of despair. All those romantic notions of summer fun, perhaps planted in my brain by old movies like Breeze, melt away faster than a forgotten popsicle on the pavement. The oven is off limits, the grill feels like a genuine public safety risk, and my motivation to even open the refrigerator door has evaporated. Unfortunately, my appetite didn't get the memo about the oppressive heat index. When a simple walk to the mailbox makes you empathize with the chicken thighs you just crisped up in the air fryer, the desire for a traditional meal vanishes. I'm not looking for a dining experience with ambience. I'm on a mission for something fast, affordable, and deeply satisfying. I need a meal I can devour with one hand while my other is busy fending off the sweat dripping from my brow. Here are 6 recent discoveries that delivered maximum culinary joy with minimal personal effort, all while being kind to a back-to-school season budget. 1. The unbeatable Sam's Club pizza and drink combo. Location: Sam's Club, Seamers Drive. Price: $2.74. Imagine 2 generously sized slices of pepperoni pizza, blanketed in hot, gooey cheese on a thick, satisfying crust, paired with a bottomless fountain drink, all for less than the price of a fancy coffee. Yes, it's real. This is cafeteria-style comfort food at its absolute peak, served up with surprising speed and a friendly smile. But here's where it gets controversial. You need a membership to access this glorious deal. For some, this is a deal breaker.